Have you ever had an argument? It's a very common word and can change the way people feel instantly. An argument means a disagreement or a discussion where people have different opinions. It can be calm or heated. A common mistake is to think an argument always means a fight. Sometimes it is just a simple discussion with different points of view. You can say have an argument, argue about something, or make an argument. Also, win an argument means to convince someone. They had an argument about the best movie. I don't like to argue with my friends. She made a good argument in the meeting. We need to solve this argument soon. Anna and Tom argued about where to go on vacation. After talking calmly, they found a place both liked, and the argument ended happily. Remember, argument like argue. When people argue, they share their different thoughts loudly or firmly. Now you know what argument means. Try to use it in your conversations and comment your own example below.